about how to keep healthy during this pandemic. So we all know, or we should know, that COVID-19, even if the lockdown is over, COVID-19, the virus is going to stay for at least 6 months to a year. So we all have to know how to keep healthy during this pandemic. So what is COVID-19? It is otherwise called as novel coronavirus. Novel, why is it called novel? It is because it is a new virus. It is only 6 months old. As of now, there is no vaccine, no treatment available. And for any disease to leave this world, eradication is solely dependent on herd immunity. So what is herd immunity? It is when 60% of the population gets infected with COVID-19 of the world, the entire world population. Only then will this virus leave the planet. So, so that is why we all must know preventive measures. So we all know of the saying, prevention is better than health. So for this, it is of even more paramount importance to be more preventive, because there is no cure as of yet. So there are guidelines that are in place, which should not be just normal guidelines or normal rules. These all should be considered as divine rules. So what are the commandments? So cough etiquette. The way you guys have to cough is through by coughing into your elbow or coughing into a handkerchief. If you cough into a handkerchief, you have to throw away the handkerchief, and you'll have to then wash your hands with soap and water. This is of importance to prevent other people from getting the disease. So what are the other guidelines? You should wash your hands frequently with soap is more than enough, at least every 3 hours. So the way the virus spreads is through the mouth, eyes, and nose. So it's very important you do not touch these. You have to maintain a distance of 3 to 6 feet. Why this 3 to 6 feet? It is because if you cough or sneeze, the virus can travel a distance of 3 to 6 feet. That is why this distance is important to prevent its spread. So everyone, when you go outside, use a double-layered cloth mask. This cloth mask prevents another person from getting the disease. So when you do not have the disease, when you do not have the symptoms of COVID-19, you can still transmit the disease to somebody else. That is why it is important that everyone wears a double-layered cloth mask. Clean surfaces with bleach, all the surfaces at your home. So how do you do that? So you take 7 grams of bleach powder and mix it in a liter of water, and then as you normally clean surfaces at home, you can do that. Materials that can corrode, like metals, the cell phone, the laptop, can be cleaned with Basilol or Sterilium or 70% alcohol, that is spirit. So right now in the lockdown, it is a rule in place that you should avoid, that you should not go to crowded places. But even after the lockdown is over, you should not, even if malls are open, even if theaters are open, until the COVID-19 leaves this earth, you should not go outside to crowded places. So so there are few symptoms of COVID-19. The common symptoms are fever, sore throat, dry cough, shortness of breath. So what do you do if you get these symptoms? Remember to stay calm. Self-isolate yourself at home. If the symptoms persist for more than a couple of days, or if you're having very severe symptoms, then you can contact the doctor. If your symptoms are not severe, you can now contact your doctor via telemedicine. So another thing, at this point of time, I would like to say, everyone be positive. Even this will pass. So you should all remember to look on the brighter side of life. So, but you should not be pessimistic like this guy who says that looking at the brighter side of life hurt his eyes. So the biggest positive that I would say that has come out of this pandemic and lockdown is we all have plenty and plenty of time. What do you do with this time? I would say you have to make use of this time by becoming healthy. So how do you become healthy? You have to strengthen your physical self, your mental self, and your social self. So I will explain how do you do these. Physical health consists of fitness, diet, and taking care of your other health conditions. So you should put realistic fitness goals like exercising an hour a day by jogging, running, or brisk walking. You do not need fancy equipment for this. This can be done in your own home as well. To lose weight or reduce your body mass index, you need to keep realistic goals. And losing weight depends on a combination of diet and exercises, not just one. So keep goals realistic. So if the lockdown is there for another month, you cannot think that you will be losing 10 kilos. That is both not possible, and if it is possible, it is detrimental to your health. So what is the balanced diet? It is a diet consisting of 2000 to 2500 calories per day in adults. So in Indians, our Indian food, we do not we do not know the calorie intake. There are applications that help us out to see that. So for example, an application that I use is the Healthify Me app. There may be other apps available on the App Store or iStore. So drink adequate water a day, 2 to 3 liters of water in adults, and whenever you're thirsty. So a balanced diet consists of fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, whole grains, nuts, legumes, and lean proteins. So the 2500 calories of day or calories per day should be within these components. And it should not be in the form of empty calories in soft drinks, cakes, or junk food. What these empty calories do is the body does not use these calories at all. It just stays inside the body, and it is of no use. So we are in the COVID-19 era. We have to know how to improve our immunity, to keep ourselves strong. So diets which are rich in zinc, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B6 is essential. So all these different types of berries, green leafy vegetables, spinach, carrots, all this type of the foods are diet to improve immunity. You should not forget to take care of your other health conditions like diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases, kidney disease, or other health problems. So if you're having these issues, you do need to meet your doctor whenever it's essential. So if you think that these problems can be sorted out on the phone, then you can consult your doctor via video consultation as well. If the problem is severe, do not get worried about COVID-19 because all hospitals are taking adequate measures to prevent COVID-19. So these are a few efforts from our hospital. So all the patients who enter adequately wash their hands with spirit and with soap. Social distancing of 3 to 6 feet is maintained at the entrance, the reception area, and everywhere patients gather. All our staff are protected with personal equipment to protect the staff and the patients. At the entrance itself with a thermal gun, as shown here, people by non-contact means are screened. The temperature is screened. Also, the hospitals are adequately cleaned with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution at regular intervals. Next, you have to know how to take care of your mental health. So due to coronavirus, India has reported a 40% increase in mental health issues. This has also been reported in the World Health Organization. So why does this problem occur? Because we do not know how to handle this pandemic, and so we have a lot of stress and anxiety. A few tips to reduce your anxiety and stress: believe only reliable sources of information, like what information you get from the government, the Arogya Setu app, from the World Health Organization. Do not believe social media posts. Avoid sharing unless the fact is true and checked. Remember, the change starts from you. Focus on the positives. Learn about the positive stories of how people have recovered. Follow all the prevention commandments that I've already explained to you, and remember, this too shall pass. Also, there is a silver lining to this pandemic. 80% of the people only have mild symptoms, and the symptoms go away within a week or two. Only 20% need hospitalization, 5% will need ICU care, and there is only a 1% death. So I would like to say, do not be afraid. At the same time, do not be careless. So how do you exercise your mind? How to improve your mind? You have to do yoga, meditation, probably half an hour a day. Learn a new skill. So during this time, I have been reading on the basics of economics. These are a few books that I read. So how do you strengthen your social self? You have to spend time with your family. You need, so in this time, I have spent a lot of time with my 1-year-old son. So I'm really, really thankful for this time that I have got. Also, you should have e-conferences with your friends and family. You can also have social health by during these type of programs, the edutainment type of programs you are conducting. So in conclusion, just like what the government is saying, we need to stay home and stay safe. So I would like to add, you should take this time to also stay healthy. Be brave, even this shall pass. Follow government guidelines and follow the do's and don'ts. I am Dr. Siddharth Ramesh Babu. For orthopedic queries, you can contact me on the OPD app by 1mg or on Google Chrome through this link. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Siddharth. That was a really good presentation. So next, before we move into a question answer round,